What did you see in period number 3 as Buffalo started the frame down 3-0 and then mounted the comeback thanks to, obviously, Jack Eichel with a multi-point period?
Look at where Jack is positioned. He working the high umbrella in the zone, pulls himself out. It's a long way for the defenders to go get him. And look who's in front of the net. Jason Pominville. He is going to be so successful this year from 2-3 feet in front of the crease. He's got great hand-eye coordination. He doesn't get pushed off the area very easily, and he's done so well on the power play. He was taken off that power play unit, but he's done well enough to be back there.
Power play did score thanks to Ristolainen's shot tipped in by Skinner.
Yeah, this one is, again, kind of a lucky bounce. Like, it's a great deflection by Skinner, but there's nobody in front of Craig Anderson. He was able to come out on top of his crease and even more. So on the power play, you'd like to see somebody on top of Anderson there, keep him deep in the blue. But Jeff Skinner with the great flyby deflection, Ristolainen recognizing that, wait, I don't have anybody in front. I'm not going to beat the goalie with a full slap shot. Just a nice Swiss shot on net.
And the chances kept coming.
Oh.
Skinner had one, and that's not an easy one to put back. I mean, you know, you're on a backhand and not in the best position to actually have a full backhand and a sharp angle at that. Nonetheless, they stayed in it, and got more looks thanks to Hutton preserving a 1-goal disadvantage.
That would have been a big save. You look with 8 minutes left, but just a few minutes later, Pominville and Skinner find themselves in front of the net. But because of their momentum, they both end up on the same side, and Craig Anderson's momentum was going to the right as well, and so that ended up being a misplay, a misfire a little bit. But the Sabres did have chances created off turnovers, forechecking, off the bad neutral zone play by the Ottawa Senators that let them just walk into the zone.